Here, given a linear map or linear operators, we need to find the matrix correspond or matrix representative of the linear map. Find the standard. Matrix representative A of F. So the way we do is we find this matrix A, where the first column of A, we are working with R3, right? The first column of A is the image of E1, second column is the image of E2, the last column is the image of E3. Just need to compute it, and the standards correspond to the standard basic. Okay, so we have image of E1 is F of 1, 0, 0. By definition of F, this is 2, minus 1, and minus 1. Right. Image of E2 0, 1, 0 is so 0, 1, so minus 1, 2, and minus 1. Image of E3 0, 0, 1. So image of E3 minus 1, 2. Negative 1, 2. And we put them in the columns. So the matrix representative of F, the standard one, 2 in 2 minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1, 2. Yeah, and in fact we can see immediately from here. So here we have this, and in fact it is just this matrix A, right? Something which is a matrix A, x1, x2, x3, and x1, so we have 2 times x1 minus 1 times x2 minus 1 times x3, 2 times x1, so 2 times x1 minus 1 x2 minus 1 x2 minus 1 x3 minus 1 times x3. Similarly, we have minus 1 x1, so it is minus 1, 2 times x2, so it must be 2 times x2 minus 1 times x3, so we put minus 1 there. And for the last one, minus 1 x1, minus 1 x1, minus 1 x2, 2 x3, so this would be minus 1, 2. And look, we have the same matrix here. So for standard one, it's easy, you can see it immediately from the formula. Otherwise, you can compute the form like that, compute the image of the standard vectors in the basics and put them in the column. 2, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2. Okay. And the second question is, okay, given any vector in R3, we can find its image using the matrix representative. So suppose the question is, say, find F of x. where x is, say, 1 on 1, for example, 1 on 1, say, transpose. You can use this by just replace the value of x to the either this form or this form. So the matrix representative form or the definition of F. So in this question, they want us to use A to find F of x, and we just do the matrix multiplication. So F of 1, 1, 1 transpose is this matrix times 1, 1, 1. Okay, and what is this? This is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. Oh, interesting. So what does that say? Even the exercise didn't tell us, but this means that this vector is in the kernel of F, right? 1 on 1 will be in the kernel of F. Okay.